Social media addicts desperate to video live stream their environment, and perverts eager to snap sneaky photos of others are absolutely going to love the relaunch of Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. I'm the CyberGuy. Get my free newsletter at cyberguy.com. In a move to keep the metaverse dream alive, Mark Zuckerberg unveiled Meta's latest try at the $299 smart glasses in collaboration with Ray-Ban. It was at the Meta Connect 2023 event, with two discrete cameras allowing covert photo and video capture highlighting these. His glasses are brimming with AI capabilities, though, promising future real-time language translations and object recognition, like asking Meta AI how to fix a broken faucet it sees through your lenses. However, critics are reminded of Google Glass's invasion of privacy concerns. Are these glasses an innovative breakthrough or just another tool for sneaky captures? Creepy or not, the features are noteworthy. It's got enhanced speakers, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, Instagram-friendly portrait photos, and this time a more prominently privacy LED that signals that it's recording, but I didn't notice it. Plus a 4-hour battery life with a charging case. It's going to go on sale from October 17th. Only time's going to tell if this latest attempt will be received as more fabulous than just another flop. Head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.